Kikita ka ba talaga online? At kung kumikita ka na online, do you want to level up? Do you want to work smarter online? These are the questions na sasagutin natin ngayon sa video na ito. Hi, Nat Reyes here and welcome to another Tatak Fancham video. So, gusto mo palang mag-work smarter online? Well, as a video editor, I have a community of virtual professionals na kagaya ko, and we are all working from home. We have organized a series of webinar para matulungan kayo to really work smarter online. At ang mga magiging speakers dito, isi-share nila ang kanilang techniques, ang kanilang tips and strategies na kailangan ninyo at kung paano sila nagsimula at naging virtual professional. At hindi lang virtual professional, kundi mga superstar virtual professionals. There will be 10 speakers sa seminar na ito, which will be happening on November 9 to 13. At ang maganda pa rito, lahat ito ay sa internet lang. So you can listen to them, learn from them, all at the comfort in your homes. So sit back and relax. And ipapakilala ko sa inyo ngayon ang 10 speakers na ito. So, panoorin nyo ito. There you go! Sila yung 10 speakers na makakasama ninyo sa ating Work Smarter Online Telesummit. Yes, we call it the Telesummit kasi maraming speakers ang makikilala ninyo for that event. And lahat sila are happy and willing to impart all of their knowledge, all of their tips and tricks na ginawa nila when they were starting. And kung gusto nyong malaman pa more tungkol sa kanila, isa sa marirecommend ko is to get the book, Virtual Careers by Jomar Hilario. And also, you can go check the link below. Nandiyan dyan lahat ng mga vlogs nila and website nila. So, again, If you are new and first time dito sa Tatak Fancham videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Every week, nagpa-publish ako ng new videos for fun and learning all together. And if you are really serious about working smarter online, go ahead, check their blogs, check their websites, and magkita-kita tayo sa Telesummit. Again, this is Nat Reyes of Tatak Fancham Videos saying, get creative! So subscribe.